The need for infrared analysis and printed circuit board and battery system design is growing dramatically across the globe. The ability to see millions of temperatures with high accuracy over time allows for higher performing and longer lasting designs. Gone are the days of a single measurement thermocouple as the only tool available. Continuing to innovate in these applications is a focus for FLIR. We recently released new features in Research Studio to address these direct needs. Forms of visible and infrared fusion have been around for a long time. FLIR even has proven and proprietary algorithms related to this, such as MSX. The human eye is conditioned to look at visible imagery, whereas infrared imagery can be draining and difficult to look at for long periods. Also, both types of imagery have the ability to see different things. Infrared fusion takes the best of both worlds, visible and infrared. Behind me, we have a FLIR A700 camera looking at a basic printed circuit board. We're running FLIR Research Studio, and connecting to the camera is very simple. I go into the connection section of the software and click Connect to RTSP Stream. As you can see, initially we're just looking at the infrared imagery on the screen. But when I go into the camera controller, I can switch to IR and visible. At that point, the FLIR MSX and fusion options can be viewed under Image Enhancement. The degree to which the images are fused can be edited in this interface also. MSX allows the user to see crisp details about the printed circuit board that they couldn't see with just visible or with just infrared imagery. Also, if just the visible image is showing via selecting it under Image Enhancement, you can still see the temperature for every pixel as you hover over it or as you use different statistics or graph plotting features. We've just upped the ante and the data visualization capabilities for researchers globally. Now operators can render more insightful data with no change to their inspection procedure. Research Studio is the first desktop software to allow infrared and visible streaming, along with preserving all of the data from both data streams. The FLIR A50 and A70 R&D kits and the A400, A700 science kits offer these features in an easy-to-use package.